Okay, I know that you are asking yourself, is Shopify good for drop shipping? And the answer is yes. Shopify, this is the best platform that you can use for your drop shipping business. Okay, why I am saying this to you right now, let me prove it to you why Shopify, this is the best platform for drop shipping. Okay, take a look at these brands, take a look at these companies. I know that you are familiar some of these brands, some of these big companies such as Gymshark. Gymshark is a multi-billionaire company that is using Shopify, okay? That is using Shopify to create their stores online. Okay, so this is why, guys, that Shopify, this is the best platform for drop shipping, guys. Okay, take a look at this one, such as Lisa. You know some of these companies. You know some of these companies, and also you also know Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is also using Shopify to create his online stores. They are using Shopify to create his online stores for drop shipping, guys. Okay, so Shopify, this is the best platform for drop shipping, guys. Okay, so let's take a look how you can able to get started using Shopify. When you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, guys, it's gonna take you to this page, and at this page you will see this. You can able to get started using Shopify for free, just only for $1, guys. Okay, you can have only 30 days free trial using Shopify, just only for $1. Okay, but you can also use Shopify free trial for 3 days with no credit card required. But I encourage you that you can try using Shopify for 30 days free trial, guys, just only for $1, so that you're able to see how does this platform can do for your drop shipping business. Okay, so let's go to some of the things that you can do here with Shopify. As I showed you earlier on, that there are some of the big companies out there that they're using Shopify, such as Gymshark. Okay, such as Gymshark. If I go here to right now and search for Gymshark, I'm just gonna click here and search for Gymshark. I click here to this store, guys. As you can see, this store has been created by Shopify, guys. By Shopify. This company is a multi-billionaire company, guys. Okay, multi-billionaire company. I know the guy, the CEO of this brand, is the young man from United Kingdom. I forget his name, but he's a young man that the founder of this company, of this brand, Gymshark. As you can see, that this company, guys, has been designed using Shopify, guys. Okay, all of these things, all of this website has been designed by Shopify, because I'm just showing you the clue, guys. Okay, if I go back here, I think I'm gonna check here. As you can see, this is the founder of this company is Ben, guys. Okay, this is the owner of this company is Ben, guys. Okay, is a young guy, guys. Okay, so now let's go back to Shopify. Some of the things that you can do here with Shopify. As you can see, Shopify is better than any other platform we have played with, and we have played with them all. Okay, so if I scroll down here, what is Shopify and how does it work? Okay, Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform that lets you start and grow and manage a business. With Shopify, you can able to create your own e-commerce business with Shopify. Okay, with Shopify, you don't have to create your own online stores, because with Shopify, they are giving you done for you themes that you can use, that you can able to customize for your own niche or for your own desires, that you can able to customize using Shopify. Okay, you can create and customize an online store, meaning that you can also create your own online store from scratch if you want to. But if you don't want to create your online store from scratch, you can also use done for you themes from Shopify, or done for you stores from your Shopify store, so that you can able to create all of these stores for free, guys. So you're able to customize them. You can also change the fonts. You can also change the price of the store that you want to use. You can able to sell multiple places, including web, mobile, social media, online marketplaces. There are no limit on where you can able to sell your store, guys. Okay, using Shopify. Okay, you can able to manage multiple products. You can able to manage inventories, payments, and shipping. All of those things. Shopify is a complete cloud-based hosted, which means you don't have to worry about upgrading or maintaining software or web servers. So what I like about Shopify is that you don't have to able to. There are no apps, there are no software that you have to install. All of this platform is a cloud-based software, guys, which makes it easy for beginners to use Shopify for their dropshipping business. Okay, maybe you're asking yourself, how much does Shopify cost? Okay, you can try Shopify for 3 days, no credit card required. Okay, let's go to the pricings here. When I click here to this link, okay, when I click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, guys, it's gonna take you to this page. After that, just scroll down here. You can see some of the plans that comes with Shopify, such as the basic plan, guys. Okay, this is the one that I'm using right now, the basic plan. If you want to pay on a yearly basis, you can just pay $19. Okay, sorry about that. And also, if you want to pay on a monthly basis, it's going to be costing you $25. Okay, with this plan, guys, okay, the basic plan is for solo entrepreneurs, the most popular plan. Okay, you can able to have 10 inventory locations. You are having 24/7 chat support team. If there's any issue that you want to solve with Shopify, you can able to contact their support team 24/7, guys. They will able to help you out with any issue or with any question that you want, guys. Okay, in your Shopify store. You have an access with localized global selling, free markets, all of those things. You can try this for free, guys. Okay. And also, if you want to upgrade for a small team, if you're a team, you can also use this one for the Shopify, guys. Okay? But I highly recommend that you go for the basic plan, guys. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, now, can I sell my own domain with Shopify? Sorry, can I use my own domain with Shopify? Yes, you can use your own domain with Shopify. If you have an existing domain name, you can connect with Shopify from your store's admin. Okay, meaning that if they said you don't have any domain, you can also buy your domain from Namecheap. It's only for $9, only for $5, guys. Okay, your domain, you can connect it here on Shopify. There's tutorial videos on Shopify how to be able to connect that domain. Okay, it is so easy. Do I need to be a designer or a developer to use Shopify? Maybe asking yourself, okay, if I'm using Shopify now, do I have to be a designer or do I have to be a developer in order to use Shopify? No, you don't need to be a developer or you don't need to be a designer in order to use Shopify. Signing up for Shopify allows you to customize the look and the feel of your store with the online store builder and themes, because Shopify that giving you done for you stores that you can able to customize. You can also change the fonts, you can also change the price, you can also change the logos, all of those things you can also customize with Shopify. Shopify, they have amazing features that you can use, guys. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, so in order to get access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. It's going to take you to this page. Okay, just put your email address and also check the plan that you want to use for Shopify. But if you are starting out, I highly recommend that you use the basic plan, only for $25 per month, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.